Hey Glam Squad, what's up? This is your girl Dalou. I am very anxious to start fall decor, but I cannot start without introducing you to my cleaning lady. She can sweep, she can vacuum, she can mop, she can empty out the dust and clean her mopping pads when she's done. Guys, please meet Eva. She is self-cleaning, emptying robot vacuum by Roidmi. She is a combination of both a vacuum and a mop. On my last video, many of you asked, how do I manage to keep the house clean? Having robot vacuum cleaners play a tremendous role on helping me to keep the house clean. I was ecstatic when Roidmi reached out to me to send me this robot vacuum combo. Yes, you guys, it is a vacuum and a mop at the same time. So today I am going to give you guys a full review. I am going to let you know all the goods and the bads based on my experience. At the end of this video, you will make a decision whether or not this fancy robot cleaner is for you. First impression, everything is well packed. Let me take this moment to welcome all of you who are here for the first time. My name is Dalou. I share glam home decor, cleaning and DIY videos. If you are into these things, I am pleased asking you to hit your subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so they can let you know as soon as I upload a new video. And to my fellow Glam Squad, thanks so much for stopping by today. Yeah, I know you are the best. Second impression, this is a very, very pretty product, you guys. The lid has all the basic information needed to operate the robot. It came with two tanks, a clean water tank and a dirty water tank, which is great because this way the robot is constantly working with clean water. And in the middle is where the dust bag resides. They also send it with extra dust bags. The water tanks are very big. Let me show you the clean water tank. And it is super easy to take them out and put them back in. Also, in the body of the robot, we have some function listed. It came with a brush to clean the tanks and other part of the vacuum. And it has a cute storage area to store the brush. It came with a set of mopping pad installed and an extra set for future use. Now it's time for the fun part. Let's see how she cleans. My kitchen is always the dirtiest area in my home, so we're gonna start with that. This is what the kitchen looks like after 2 days of not cleaning it. To be honest, it could have been worse, but I did not cook today. Pretty much this is what it looks like on a typical night. On this rug, I always have breadcrumbs. I'm gonna add a little bit of breadcrumbs. And then I added some cooked rice because whenever I cook rice, there will be rice on this rug. As you can see, she is getting all the corners between the rug and the chairs. I thought I would add some more things on the floor to see how she would pick them up, and she did a fantastic job. There she is between my stools, vacuuming. She has no problem navigating in between furnitures. She is also getting the corners pretty nicely. Remember I told you she is a self-emptying robot vacuum? Now she is done vacuuming, she's going back to her base to empty herself out. There is no need to touch any dirty things. And guys, do you see how far is the base? The sensor in this robot vacuum is amazing. There she is cleaning out herself. The noise is very loud. I can hear it from upstairs. Although she asked me to replace the dust bag, I just removed it, empty it out, and put it back on. And it is super easy to remove it and put it back on. Now let's see how she does with mapping.
Enter mopping mode.
Oh yes, did I tell you guys she talks? Yes, she does.
Exit mopping mode.
She is on her second pass in the kitchen. Now I'm having her do sweep and mopping at the same time. This is another amazing thing about her. While she's mopping, she will not get on the rug because she recognizes it as a rug that doesn't need to be mopped. While she was mopping, she recognized that it was time for the mopping pads to get washed. She's going back again to her base to wash them off.
Dirty water tank is full. Please empty and clean it. Charging. Please reinstall the dirty water tank.
Look at the water, you guys. It is so dirty. The water tanks are very secure. This way my kids will be able to replace the water by themselves without making a mess.
Dirty water tank is reinstalled. Resume cleaning.
There she is going back in the exact same spot where she left off so she can resume cleaning. Right now I'm having her mopping only, no sweeping. As she is mopping the floor, she is also drying it. So the floor is not too wet at all. After all, this is how she cleaned the kitchen. I think she did a fantastic job. Do you guys remember how dirty the rug was? On the floor, she did a fantastic job as well. It is very shiny. I thought I would have her clean the rest of the house because she is so fantastic. There she is going under the tables, places that I normally don't clean often, or sometimes we even forget about cleaning. She's getting it done for me. Every single robot cleaner that I own gets stuck under this credenza, not her. No need to move out sofas and big furnitures because she can get under them and clean the floor. However, for some reason, she had a little bit of trouble in my family room. She did pretty good in between the furnitures. However, she kept getting stuck on my coffee tables.
driving wheel is stuck. Please check if the driving wheel is stuck.
All of it happened in less than 5 minutes. The robot is mostly controlled on the app. Here you can see the map of the first floor of the house created by the robot. Then I can click on area to select the area that I'm going to clean. It is super easy. All I have to do is drag the light blue rectangle in the area that I want to clean. For example, when I was cleaning the kitchen, I had her stay in the kitchen alone and she couldn't go anywhere else. For example, I can add a virtual wall, a forbidden zone, or create a map of the area that I don't want her to go to. Then I can create a cleaning schedule. I can program it for as often as I need it, days of the week, weekend, night, whichever one I want. Select the area and which cleaning mode that I want, whether if I want sweeping, mopping, sweeping and mop. And this is where to increase the suction power. This is very important because when I started using the vacuum, the suction wasn't strong enough. I thought the vacuum wasn't good. And of course, all the basics are here as well. Things like start cleaning, start recharging, and so on and so forth. There are a lot more on the apps. Some of them, I don't even know what they do yet. And it also came with a spot cleaning option, just in case if I want to clean a small area. Sometimes it brings a little bit of dirt in the base area, so having the spot cleaning option is wonderful. Overall, this robot vacuum is a really good robot vacuum. Although it has difficulty cleaning my family room, I'm not sure why it cannot get around my coffee tables. I really like it and I would recommend it. Although it is a bit on the pricey side, but it is still one of the most smart vacuum I own. It is a great value for the price. If you purchase this robot vacuum, please take the time to get to know her on the app because it is going to make your job easier and that's what's going to determine whether or not you like it. And allow her a little bit of time to get to know the house, especially when she's going back for charging and cleaning. Initially, she may not know where to go. As you saw, once she figured out the house, she was able to go with flying colors. Among all of my vacuums, she's the only one that can do that so easily, especially when the base is so far away. I like the fact that it is a mop and vacuum combo. I can have a sweep if I want to, sweep and mop, or just mop. She is my new baby and she fits right in. If you are looking for help or ways to keep your house clean, definitely go check it out. The link will be on top in the description box and use my special code Dalou to save more money. In addition, they have a huge Labor Day sale going on. Please go check it out to save even more money. I want to express my gratitude to Roidmi for sending me this wonderful product. I am very happy when companies send me products that I really like and when they deliver on their promises. Please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this robot vacuum mop combo. What were you most impressed by? Are you going to check it out? Thanks to all of you for stopping by. Please hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell before you leave because I look forward to seeing you on the next one. I love you always. Bye-bye. Mwah.